How to get Gemini app in the UK. Hook, have you ever wished you could have a personal AI assistant that could answer your questions, complete tasks, and even write creative content? Gemini is that assistant, and in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to get it in the UK. Context: the AI landscape has been rapidly evolving, with new and powerful tools emerging every day. Gemini is one such tool, boasting impressive capabilities that make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their tasks and enhance their productivity. However, as with many cutting-edge technologies, availability can be limited. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps needed to access Gemini in the UK. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before diving into the download process, it's important to verify your eligibility. Gemini is currently in a limited release, so not everyone can access it immediately. Visit the official Gemini website or check for updates on their social media channels to see if you qualify. Step 2. Create a Gemini account. If you meet the eligibility criteria, the next step is to create a Gemini account. This process is straightforward and usually involves providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Step 3. Download the Gemini app. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to download the Gemini app. Depending on your device, iOS or Android, you'll need to visit the appropriate App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. Search for Gemini AI and download the official app. Step 4. Log in and start using Gemini. After the download is complete, open the Gemini app and log in using the credentials you created in Step 2. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start interacting with the AI. Tips and tricks. Experiment and explore. Gemini is a versatile tool, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore its capabilities. Try asking different questions, requesting various tasks, and see what it can do. Provide clear and specific instructions. To get the best results, be as clear and specific as possible in your prompts. The more detailed your instructions, the more accurate and relevant Gemini's responses will be. Leverage Gemini's creative abilities. Gemini can be a valuable asset for creative endeavors. Use it to generate ideas, brainstorm, or even write creative content. Stay updated. As Gemini continues to evolve, new features and improvements may be introduced. Keep an eye on updates and announcements to stay informed about the latest developments. Common issues and solutions. App crashes or lag. If you encounter issues with the app, try closing it and reopening it. If the problem persists, check for updates or contact Gemini's support team. Limited availability. Remember that Gemini is currently in a limited release. If you're unable to access it, check for updates or explore alternative AI options. Technical difficulties. If you face any technical difficulties, consult Gemini's documentation or reach out to their support team for assistance. Conclusion: Gemini offers a powerful and versatile AI assistant that can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can successfully access Gemini in the UK and start benefiting from its capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see how Gemini can transform your daily life. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.